Papa asked Mommy, why don't we go outside?
The children were very happy to hear this and got ready with their mother.
Papa took out the car, and they all sat in it and went to the park. After reaching the park, they sat down. Then Mama gave everyone sandwiches, and they all had lunch. After lunch, the children played games, and their mom and dad enjoyed watching them. Then Mom and Dad played cricket with the kids, and they all had a lot of fun. Then the children took the swing and slide. Then the kids sat on the Ferris wheel, and then Mom made a video of them. Then Mom and Dad took the children down the water slide and enjoyed it a lot. Then the children captured pictures with Mom and Dad to make this trip memorable. Then all of them take the evening tea. After this, they started preparing to go home. Then they reached home safely. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.